Everyone talks about the latest horsepower wars and cutting-edge technology, but they conveniently ignore the brutal truth about engine reliability. What if I told you that your dream car might leave you stranded on the side of the road before you even pay it off? That's not dramatic. Poor engineering destroys more cars than accidents do. Imagine finally buying that sports car you've wanted for years, only to discover that every drive might end with a tow truck. In this video, I'm breaking down the 17 engines that won't die in your lifetime. And trust me, the #1 choice will blow your mind. It's so well engineered that owners have crossed 500,000 miles without a rebuild. Watch every second, because this isn't just a review. It's the difference between enjoying your car for decades or becoming another victim of planned obsolescence. Number 17. Volvo B230 Red Block 2.3-liter inline-4. Let's get right into it with number 17. The Volvo B230 Red Block, a 2.3-liter inline-4 that powered Volvos from 1985 to 1998. These engines aren't just reliable, they're practically immortal. The secret? Cast iron block, aluminum head, and forged internals that could survive a nuclear blast. What makes these engines special is their non-interference design. If the timing belt snaps, your valves and pistons won't collide in a mechanical horror show. These engines routinely cross 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. The Red Block earned its reputation through decades of robust service in those boxy Volvo 240, 740, and 940 models. The engineering is rooted in durability, employing a forged steel crankshaft and connecting rods that are massively overbuilt, particularly in the later models after 1988. This simple, old-school design eliminates so many potential failure points that modern engines struggle with. There's a reason these engines became legendary in Scandinavian countries with brutal winters. They start reliably in extreme cold and keep running when other engines would have long since given up. Number 16. Mercedes-Benz OM 617 3.0-liter inline-5 diesel. Number 16 on our list is the Mercedes-Benz OM 617, a 3.0-liter inline-5 diesel from the 1970s and 1980s. This is the engine that built Mercedes' reputation for bulletproof reliability. Found in the legendary 300D and 300SD models, these engines have been known to surpass 500,000 miles. The purely mechanical fuel injection system means no electronic gremlins to deal with. The only things that can kill these engines are neglected fuel filters or cooling system issues. Keep those in check, and you've got an engine that will outlast you. The OM 617 is arguably the pinnacle of non-electronic diesel longevity, representing a time when Mercedes built cars to a standard, not to a price. The cast iron block and cylinder head provide incredible strength, while the 5-cylinder layout offers a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and smoothness. Number 15. Cummins 5.9-liter B-Series inline-6 diesel. Coming in at number 15 is the Cummins 5.9-liter B-Series diesel. Found in Dodge Ram pickups from 1989 through 2007, these inline-6 diesels are legends in the truck world. The early 12-valve versions are the simplest and most robust, with their mechanical Bosch P7100 injection pumps. The later 24-valve models added more power and electronic controls, but they're still incredibly tough. The only real weakness? Owners who get greedy with tuning and push them too far. Keep your modifications reasonable, and these engines will cross 1,000,000 miles without breaking a sweat. The Cummins 5.9-liter is an icon of industrial power and truck longevity, representing the perfect marriage of commercial-grade durability and consumer accessibility. These engines were originally designed for industrial applications like generators and construction equipment, then adapted for use in pickup trucks. Number 14. Toyota 1 UZ-FE 4.0-liter V8. At number 14, we have Toyota's luxury masterpiece, the 1 UZ-FE 4.0-liter V8. First introduced in the 1989 Lexus LS 400, this might be the most over-engineered engine Toyota ever made. It's all aluminum, with dual overhead cams and variable valve timing, yet it's built to last forever. The only maintenance demand is a timing belt replacement every 90,000 miles. Miss that, and you'll be looking at a very expensive repair. Stay on top of it, though, and this engine delivers Rolls-Royce smoothness with Toyota reliability. The 1UZFE is Lexus's original flagship V8, and it set new standards for refinement and durability in luxury vehicles. This engine was designed during Japan's economic boom when cost was no object, and the engineers were told to create the world's most refined V8. The result was an overbuilt masterpiece that delivered incredible smoothness while maintaining bulletproof reliability. Every component was engineered to the highest standards, from the 6-bolt main bearing caps to the massive connecting rods and crankshafts. Number 13, Honda J-Series 3.5-liter V6. If you've ever wondered why Hondas seem to run forever even when abused, number 13 explains it. The J-Series 3.5-liter V6. Found in everything from the Odyssey minivan to the Acura MDX, these engines are fundamentally bulletproof. There's just one critical flaw: the variable cylinder management system that shuts down cylinders to save fuel. This causes uneven wear and oil consumption issues. The fix is simple: a VCM disabler module that costs less than $100. Install one, and your J-Series engine will easily surpass 300,000 miles. The Honda J-Series has demonstrated remarkable endurance, serving in a vast array of Honda and Acura vehicles for over 25 years now. The single overhead cam SOHC design is a perfect compromise between performance and simplicity, eliminating many of the complex components found in dual-cam engines. Honda's legendary attention to detail shows in the precision machining and assembly of these engines, which allows them to maintain tight tolerances even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Don't hit that subscribe button yet. We're just getting to the good stuff. Number 12, BMW M52 2.5 to 3.2 liter straight 6. Number 12 is the BMW M52 straight 6, produced from 1994 to 2000. These 2.5 to 3.2 liter engines powered everything from the 3 Series to the Z3. The earlier iron block versions are virtually indestructible. BMW did switch to aluminum blocks later, which are still reliable but not quite as robust. The only real issue these engines face is cooling system plastic components that fail with age. Replace those preventatively, and these smooth straight 6s will keep running for decades. The M52 represents BMW's engineering excellence at its peak, before the complexity of modern emission systems and electronics began to compromise reliability. These engines feature a simple, elegant design with perfectly balanced rotating assemblies that eliminate the need for balanced shafts. The iron block versions, commonly found in European spec models, offer incredible durability, while even the aluminum block versions used in US models feature iron cylinder liners for longevity. What makes the M52 special is its perfect combination of performance and reliability. It delivers the smooth, linear power that BMW straight 6s are famous for, but without the fragility that plagues many performance engines. The valve train uses hydraulic lifters that never need adjustment, and the timing chain design typically lasts the life of the engine. BMW's attention to detail shows in the oil circuit design, which ensures proper lubrication even under high G-forces during aggressive driving. Number 11, Ford 300 4.9-liter inline 6. At number 11, we find the Ford 300 inline 6, a 4.9-liter workhorse that powered F-Series trucks from 1965 to 1996. This engine defines simplicity and durability. With its 7 main bearings and torquey, low RPM design, it was never stressed even when pulling heavy loads. These engines commonly reach 300,000 miles with just oil changes, and they're so simple that even a novice can work on them. The 300 is proof that sometimes less technology means more reliability. This legendary engine represents American engineering at its finest. Straightforward, robust, and built to last. The Ford 300 features a cast iron block and head with incredible wall thickness, providing structural integrity that modern aluminum engines can't match. Its long-stroke design delivers massive torque at low RPMs, which means the engine rarely needs to work hard in normal operation. Number 10. Ford Modular 4.6-liter V8 2-valve. Number 10 is the Ford Modular 4.6-liter V8 with the 2-valve head. These powered Crown Victorias, Grand Marquises, and Mustangs from 1991 to 2014. These engines are known for lasting well over 300,000 miles in taxi and police service. There's just one fatal flaw. The spark plug threads can strip out of the aluminum heads. The fix is a thread repair kit that permanently solves the problem. Address that issue, and these engines will outlast the rest of the car. The modular 4.6-liter represents a successful transition from Ford's traditional pushrod V8s to a modern overhead cam design. Despite the complexity of the shift, Ford managed to create an incredibly durable engine that maintained the reliability their V8s were known for. The modular name refers to the manufacturing process, which allowed different displacement engines to be built on the same production line. This standardization ensured exceptional quality control, with each engine receiving the same level of attention to detail. The 2-valve version is particularly renowned for its durability, with simpler heads than the higher performance 3 and 4-valve variants. These engines feature an iron block with deep skirts for rigidity, 6-bolt main bearing caps, and a forged steel crankshaft. All design choices that prioritize longevity over weight savings. If you're enjoying this breakdown of automotive longevity, make sure to subscribe for more in-depth car content that you won't find anywhere else. Number 9. GM 3800 Series 2 3.8-liter V6. At number 9, we have the GM 3800 Series 2 V6. This 3.8-liter pushrod engine powered countless Buicks, Pontiacs, and Chevrolets from 1995 to 2005. The design is old-school simple, with a cast-iron block and push rods instead of overhead cams. The only Achilles heel is the lower intake manifold gasket, which can fail and mix coolant with oil. Replace that with the updated design, and these engines regularly exceed 300,000 miles. They're not high-tech, but they're virtually indestructible. The 3800 Series 2 represents the pinnacle of GM's pushrod V6 development, combining decades of refinement with the simplicity of an older design philosophy. This engine traces its roots back to the Buick V6 of the 1960s, but by the 1990s, it had evolved into a marvel of reliability and efficiency. The cast-iron construction provides exceptional durability and heat management, while the pushrod design eliminates the complexity of overhead camshafts and their associated timing components. Despite its old-school architecture, the 3800 Series 2 delivered impressive power and torque for its era, all while achieving remarkable fuel economy. The engine's design focuses on low-end torque rather than high RPM horsepower, meaning it rarely needs to work hard in normal driving. This reduced stress translates directly to longevity. The 3800's reputation is so strong that it's often cited as the last truly reliable American engine, before the era of complex emission systems and fuel economy mandates. The supercharged variants, L67 and L32, are particularly impressive, adding significant power while maintaining the same legendary reliability, a rare feat in forced induction engines. Number 8. GM Vortec 5.3-liter V8 Gen 3. Number 8 brings us to the GM Vortec Gen 3 5.3-liter V8, commonly found in Silverados, Tahoes, and Suburbans from 1999 to 2006. These pushrod V8s combine old-school durability with modern fuel injection. The iron block provides incredible strength, and the simple pushrod design eliminates many potential failure points. Avoid the later versions with active fuel management cylinder deactivation, and these engines will easily run for 300,000 miles or more. Plus, parts are dirt cheap and available everywhere. The Vortec 5.3-liter represents the sweet spot in GM's small block V8 evolution, modern enough to provide excellent power and efficiency, but simple enough to maintain bulletproof reliability. These engines feature a deep skirt iron block with cross-bolted main caps for exceptional rigidity, while the aluminum heads reduce weight without compromising durability. The pushrod design, often criticized as outdated, actually provides significant reliability advantages by eliminating the complex overhead camshaft systems found in many modern engines. With fewer moving parts, there's simply less that can go wrong. The 5.3 liters displacement hits the perfect balance between power and longevity. Large enough to provide strong torque for towing and hauling, but small enough that internal components aren't overly stressed. Number 7, Toyota 22R and 22RE 2.4-liter inline-4. We're now into the top 7, and this one's a legend. The Toyota 22R and 22RE 2.4-liter inline-4. This engine powered Toyota pickups and 4Runners from 1981 to 1995, and it helped build Toyota's reputation for reliability. The design is incredibly simple, with a timing chain that rarely needs replacement. These engines are so durable that they're often the last component to fail on trucks that have been completely neglected. With basic maintenance, 300,000 miles is just the beginning for a 22R. The 22R represents Toyota at its most utilitarian, focused entirely on reliability and longevity rather than performance or refinement. This engine features a cast iron block and head with exceptionally thick walls, providing incredible structural rigidity and heat dissipation. The single overhead cam design strikes the perfect balance between the simplicity of pushrod engines and the efficiency of more modern DOHC designs. What makes the 22R truly special is its tolerance for abuse. These engines have become legendary in developing nations where maintenance is minimal and operating conditions are harsh. The timing chain design uses a dual-row chain that rarely needs replacement, eliminating a common failure point in many engines of the era. Even when the chain does stretch after hundreds of thousands of miles, the engine typically continues running with just a slight loss of power and efficiency. The 22R's carburetor version is remarkably simple, while the fuel-injected 22RE adds electronic engine management without compromising reliability. Number 6, Toyota 2 TRFE 2.7 liters inline-4. Number 6 is another Toyota masterpiece, the 2 TRFE 2.7-liter inline-4. Found in the Tacoma and base Tundra models from 2004 to present, this engine combines a cast iron block with a timing chain and simple design. It's not powerful, but it's virtually unbreakable. These engines regularly exceed 300,000 miles with just routine oil changes. They're proof that Toyota's reputation for reliability isn't just marketing, it's engineering reality. The 2 TRFE represents Toyota's commitment to evolutionary rather than revolutionary design, taking proven concepts and refining them rather than chasing the latest trends. This philosophy has resulted in an engine that maintains the legendary reliability of its predecessors while meeting modern emissions and efficiency standards. The 2 TRFE features a cast iron block for maximum durability, paired with an aluminum head to reduce weight. The timing chain is designed to last the life of the engine, eliminating a common maintenance item found in belt-driven engines. What's particularly impressive about the 2 TRFE is its consistency. These engines deliver the same performance and reliability across a wide range of applications and operating conditions. From work trucks to off-road enthusiasts to daily commuters, the 2 TRFE maintains the same bulletproof reputation. The engine's design prioritizes torque over horsepower, delivering strong, low-end pulling power that's perfect for truck applications while keeping RPMs and internal stress low during normal driving. The fuel injection system is remarkably simple yet effective, with fewer sensors and potential failure points than many competitors. Number 5, Toyota 2GRFE and FKS 3.5-liter V6. At number 5, we have the Toyota 2GRFE and FKS 3.5-liter V6, which has powered everything from Camrys to Lexus RX models since 2005. This engine has proven itself in millions of vehicles, with timing chains instead of belts and an excellent balance of performance and durability. The design is so good that Toyota has used it for over 15 years, with minimal changes. These engines easily surpass 250,000 miles and keep going. The 2G RFE and FKS represents Toyota's ability to create a truly universal engine, one that works exceptionally well across an incredibly diverse range of vehicles, from family sedans to luxury SUVs to minivans. This ubiquitous usage has allowed Toyota to refine the design continuously, addressing any minor issues that emerge and creating an exceptionally polished final product. The all-aluminum construction is lighter than iron block designs, but sacrifices nothing in terms of durability, thanks to Toyota's precise manufacturing tolerances and excellent material selection. The dual VVTi system, variable valve timing with intelligence, provides excellent performance across the entire RPM range while maintaining exceptional reliability, a difficult balance that many manufacturers struggle to achieve. What makes the 2GR particularly impressive is how it delivers luxury car smoothness and performance with economy car reliability and maintenance costs. Number 4. Toyota 1GRFE 4.0-liter V6. Number 4 brings us the Toyota 1GRFE 4.0-liter V6, which has powered the Tacoma, 4Runner, and FJ Cruiser since 2002. This engine combines a timing chain with a simple, robust design that's built to handle off-road abuse. The only maintenance items are valve cover gaskets that might seep oil after 150,000 miles. Address that minor issue, and these engines regularly exceed 300,000 miles while being thrashed off-road. It's one of the most dependable truck engines ever made. The 1GRFE stands as the perfect bridge between Toyota's legendary truck engines of the past and the demands of the modern era. This engine was designed specifically for truck and SUV applications, with durability as the primary design criterion. The all-aluminum construction reduces weight compared to iron block designs, while sacrificing nothing in terms of strength thanks to thicker cylinder walls and reinforced mounting points. What separates the 1GRFE from many competitors is how it's designed to handle extreme conditions, from the intense heat of desert running to the sub-zero temperatures of the Arctic. These engines maintain their reliability regardless of the environment. The dual VVTi system provides excellent performance across the entire RPM range. But unlike many variable valve timing systems, it's designed for simplicity and durability rather than maximum performance. Number 3. Toyota 3 URFE 5.7-liter V8. We're now in the top 3, starting with the Toyota 3 URFE 5.7-liter V8. This engine has powered the Tundra, Sequoia, and Lexus LX 570 since 2007. It's an aluminum V8 that's built to last forever with just one systemic flaw: the secondary air injection system, SAIS, that can fail and trigger check engine lights. The solution is a simple bypass kit that permanently solves the problem. With that fix in place, these engines easily reach 300,000 miles while towing heavy loads. The 3 URFE represents Toyota's answer to American V8 truck engines, combining the durability Toyota is known for with the power and torque needed for serious work applications. This engine features an aluminum block with cast iron cylinder sleeves, striking an ideal balance between weight savings and durability. The dual overhead cam design with dual VVTi provides excellent performance across the entire RPM range, while the 32-valve head design ensures efficient combustion and impressive power output. What makes the 3 URFE special is how it delivers full-size truck capability without sacrificing the reliability Toyota is famous for. These engines routinely tow heavy loads in extreme conditions while maintaining exceptional longevity. The cooling system is particularly impressive, preventing the overheating issues that plague many engines during extended towing in hot weather. The oil circuit design ensures adequate lubrication even under high-load conditions, preventing the accelerated wear that affects many truck engines used for towing. Number 2. Toyota 2 UZFE 4.7-liter V8. Number 2 is the Toyota 2 UZFE 4.7-liter V8, which powered Toyota trucks and SUVs from 1998 to 2011. Unlike the 3 URFE, this engine uses a cast iron block for maximum durability. The only maintenance item is a timing belt that needs replacement every 90,000 miles. Stay on top of that, and these engines commonly reach 500,000 miles. They're not the most efficient or powerful V8s, but they might be the most reliable ever made. The 2 UZFE represents Toyota at its most conservative, prioritizing bulletproof reliability above all else. During an era when most manufacturers were switching to aluminum blocks for weight savings, Toyota deliberately chose cast iron for its superior strength and heat dissipation properties. This decision proved prescient, as the 2 UZFE has established itself as perhaps the most durable V8 ever created for consumer vehicles. The engine features a relatively low compression ratio and conservative tuning, ensuring that internal components are never overstressed even during demanding operations like towing or off-road driving. The dual overhead cam design provides excellent breathing capabilities while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability. Unlike many modern engines that chase maximum specific output, horsepower per liter, the 2 UZFE prioritizes torque production and durability, a philosophy that has proven highly successful in real-world applications. Number 1. Toyota 2 JZGE 3.0 liters inline 6. And now the number 1 most reliable engine ever made, the Toyota 2 JZGE 3.0 liter inline 6. While its turbocharged sibling, the 2JZGTE, gets all the attention, the naturally aspirated GE version is actually more reliable in daily use. Found in the Lexus SC300, IS300, and Toyota Supra, this engine is massively over-engineered. It shares the same robust bottom end as the turbo version, which means it's built to handle far more stress than it ever encounters in stock form. These engines regularly exceed 400,000 miles with just basic maintenance. The inline 6 configuration is naturally balanced, and the cast iron block provides incredible strength. It's the gold standard of automotive reliability, and prices for cars with this engine continue to climb as people recognize their virtually unlimited lifespan. The 2JZGE represents the pinnacle of Toyota's engineering philosophy, creating components so overbuilt that they can handle multiples of their intended stress levels. If you thought those engines were impressive, wait until you see my next video on these 13 engines are actually hidden time bombs. I'll reveal which popular engines are ticking time bombs that will leave you stranded, including one that's probably sitting in your neighbor's driveway right now.